Can Vanguard Plus help me manage my investments? To answer this clearly, it helps to understand what Vanguard actually offers for cash and investment management. Vanguard does not have a standalone product called Vanguard Plus for investing, but rather offers the Vanguard Cash Plus account alongside its core brokerage services and advisory tiers like Digital Advisor and Personal Advisor. If you are looking at the Vanguard Cash Plus account, it functions as a high-yield savings account alternative. It is designed to hold your short-term cash securely with thick insurance, while keeping your funds conveniently positioned alongside your long-term brokerage assets. While it gives you routing numbers, next-day transfers, and competitive yields, it is built for holding cash rather than actively managing a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. For actual investment management, Vanguard takes a different route. If you want hands-on management, you look toward their digital and hybrid advisory services. Vanguard Digital Advisor uses automated algorithms to build and manage a diversified portfolio tailored to your retirement goals at a very low cost. Alternatively, Vanguard Personal Advisor pairs you with human-certified financial planners who construct comprehensive wealth management, tax strategies, and personalized investment portfolios. Therefore, if your goal is to manage cash reserves safely while you invest, a cash account feature helps organize your liquidity. If you want automated or human-led portfolio guidance, you will want to enroll in one of their specific advisory programs rather than a cash savings product. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.